How to edit images with AI. This is a common question that I constantly receive when making a presentation. Today I want to show you a brand that I love. It's called Siggi. They make skier. I love them because they're tasty and they have a very simple yet effective branding. Lean branding. So let's take, for example, a picture from their website. Say I want to take this picture and I'm going to upload it to my GPT-4o. So the answer is going to be great. If you shared an image featuring Siggi, blah, 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 it's going to give me the description. Now, if I select this picture, nothing happens. I can't edit it because this picture has been imported, not AI generated. I'm going to ask ChatGPT, I want you to replace the yogurt in the picture with a Siggi of different flavor, for example, blueberry. It's gonna load, and then he created the picture. Nice. He created Siggi's blueberry. Now, is it the right branding? Maybe yes, maybe not, but for sure it is credible. I can also input an original picture to influence the actual packaging. But right now I'm happy the way it is because I can, guys, show you how I can select the selection tool, then select the yogurt here, for example, and say, I see it closed, open it and show me how creamy it is. So GPT did it, and this is the result. Not bad at all. I mean, it makes me want to eat it. It works very well. But there is an issue. This skier is not a blueberry color. So it's not credible that it is blueberry flavor, because it should be purple. So I'm gonna select this and I'm going to change the color. Amazing. Now make it blueberry color. And boom, there we go. So it kept the creaminess, but now it is blueberry color. The cool thing is that overall it kept the context. So if you look at it, the context was kept very consistently from the original picture. Of course, this required a few iterations, but it worked very well. Next, what I could do, for example, is I could select this area here and say, amazing, watch out, the original Siggi's pack is not that tall. Then I want you to multiply the Siggi's and make one blueberry and one vanilla flavor. So now instead of one, we have two. They are better sized and honestly, they look quite real. I love that. Let's play a little more. Let's add one more, but this time strawberry flavor. We have a picture which is like the original one, but now we have 3 different flavors. Doesn't it look extremely real? So with artificial intelligence, we can easily select a detail of a picture, edit it, and modify the way we like it by keeping the context. And this makes all the difference. I hope you like this technique and you're going to use it to improve your presentations. Be lean, tell a story. Ciao!